this has got to be my favourite, but also the scariest conversion that I've done to date, and that's on Asmodai and tying him in with the rest of the Inner Circle members. Now, the reason that this was so scary is actually to do with the banner. The margin for error was 0.01% of a millimeter, and that's because it needed to be cut out, drilled, pinned, and then all stuck back together. And I needed to do that because of the weight. But because of the size of the connection point and the size of the pin, that made the room for error just non-existent. And I am so proud of how this has turned out. It needs a little bit of touching up here and there, a little bit of filling, but overall, I think this looks absolutely incredible, and it adds an entire new element to this already good-looking miniature. I've also gone and got the rest of the Inner Circle members finished. Again, following in the same as what I did with Asmodai, but not to the same extent, just a few small alterations here and there just to put my own little twist on things. I hate the fact that these have connection points on the cape, so I do need to fill these in before we can move on and paint. Now, I've also delved into my photo extracting box, and I have built 2 of these miniatures, scraping away the Aquila on the chest and getting rid of all of the rocks that they are built with on the foot. And the reason for it is that these are going to be used on another miniature that I have turning up hopefully tomorrow. And then I've got a load of stuff being delivered from Green Stuff World, which will be in about 2 weeks' time, and then I can start building the bases for that display piece. But whilst I'm in the midst of showing you everything, I thought I'd show you some of the faces because, you know, I felt sadistic, and every miniature that I'm doing plain faces because, yeah, why not? But this is the start of a whole new project, a competition piece, and if you want to see how it goes, follow.